Welcome to my channel.
Hi, welcome to Mommy's channel.
So what are we doing today, guys? We are going
To Winn Dixie.
and we're gonna do what? We're gonna get some groceries.
Mm-hmm.
You guys gonna help me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, I don't want to help you.
You don't want to help me? Why not?
Because I'm not a helper.
Yes, you are. You're a big helper.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm a boy.
Well, you're a boy who is a big helper to mommy.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm a boy.
Well, I know you're a boy, baby. What happened? What?
Well,
You're gonna help?
mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're gonna go into the Winn Dixie and we're gonna get some groceries.
Yep.
Okay. All right. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready.
Then let's go. So here is our Winn Dixie haul. The boys and I had our little adventure, and we have pork chops, and they were buy one get one, which was nice. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ground beef, which I will be bagging up in the freezer bags. I have these big gallon and quart size freezer bags, so I will split these big ones up and put them in the freezer. I will then we have the skinned, these have the bone in split chicken breasts. These are great on the grill, so I might try and sweet talk my husband into getting some propane for our gas grill outside and doing some grilling. If not, I will just bake them in the oven. Little salt, pepper, garlic powder, little butter, and they're good to go. I also got some cans of diced tomatoes. Brain went dead there for a second. I did get one can. I usually make my own tomato sauce, but I did get one can of Rayo. It is probably the most, while tomatoes are not exactly the lowest in carbs, but this brand tends to be the lowest in sugar, especially this marinara sauce. It only has 4 grams of total sugar and 6 grams of carbs for half a cup. And you have to figure, if you're having, ground beef and stuff, you're probably only getting about a quarter of a cup in your serving. No, I would say less than half of a cup. So not too bad. I got a couple bags of the baby spinach. I did get a bag of the coleslaw. It's basically shredded cabbage. Yes, I could shred my own, but I'm busy, I'm lazy, and this is already done. I can make either a low carb coleslaw, or I can do like a egg roll in a bowl, which is a family favorite. So, either one of those will do one of these. I did get some Gatorade Zero. I rarely drink these. I do occasionally drink them, but I rarely drink them. But they are a quick grab and go for somebody that's doing the sugar-free stuff. I usually get these for my kids. So my youngest son loves these. I got some cod fillets. They were on sale, 3 for something, I don't remember, like 3 for 10 or something like that. And usually what I do with these is I bread them with some Parmesan cheese, and it makes them really good. I found these and I thought I'd give them a try. They are 100% pure sliced beef. So for like cheesesteaks and stuff like that, so you can do a cheesesteak bowl, or put it on a salad or something like that. I got some ribeyes, these 4-pack, and they were on sale. So I got the 4-pack, so I will split these up. I got big thing of bacon. This is a 3-pound pack. This brand is nice because no sugar added. So it's one of the few that does not have sugar in them. So those are nice, and usually I will bake them and then put them in a Ziploc bag or a storage container and put them in the fridge. So it's a grab and go in the morning, grab a couple slices and out the door. I did get some breakfast sausage. Usually go with Tennessee Pride. It is usually one of the lower carb, and this, they only have 2 carbs per serving, and it is about 2 ounces a serving, so not too shabby. I also got some coconut amino. If you are doing like a stir fry, or if you're doing the egg roll in a bowl, this is the best. It is a soy sauce alternative, and it is made with a coconut amino. So this, instead of using soy, would be your best bet, and it is with the soy sauces. So if you just go in where the soy sauces are, you should find the coconut amino. Of course, cream cheese, a big can of tuna in water, and a jar of chicken broth. I like this one because I can actually see inside the jar, and I can see the fat in there, so nice, juicy. I got some turkey smoked sausage, just for something a little different. I got some berries. I got blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. I'm not sure what I'll do with them yet, but they are in season. It is that time of the year, so I will indulge in some berries. Of course, heavy cream and eggs, standard. Now I did get American slices. Now a lot of people will tell you when you're doing keto, American slices are not the best choice for cheese, and they are correct because of all of the oils that they use in them. But if you are on a budget, then get what you can do. If all you can afford is the American slices, then go for it until you can afford to do better. But mostly my family enjoy these. I do it occasionally when I have a burger. I will typically put a slice on it, but for most times when I want a piece of cheese, I will actually grab a piece of cheese. And I have mild cheddar. Yes, this is butter. I have 8 things of butter. Yes, I go through a lot of butter. I put butter in my coffee. I put butter in all my cooking. I typically cook with butter, so I get a lot of butter. And this is a newer brand that I've seen. It is grass-fed butter, Irish butter, and it's a little bit cheaper than the Kerrygold. This was running at my Winn Dixie here in Central Florida. It was running about $2.99 for one of these, whereas the Kerrygold was running like $4.30 or $4.55 or something like that. So they are cheaper, and it's still a grass-fed butter. So I did get mozzarella cheese, as well as some lunch meat. Lunch meat is mostly for my husband, but it is a good quick chop up a couple pieces on a salad and a quick grab and go. I also got a big chunk of Colby Jack. So that is pretty much my haul as far as my keto foods. I did get some non-keto things because, again, I have family members such as my kids who do not do keto, so they I get typically a few things for them. So I really hope you guys enjoyed us goofing around in the store, my kids being silly as usual. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you want, hit that subscribe button down there and stick around for more great videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye! As I'm putting things away, I realize I forgot my Zevia. Winn Dixie has started carrying Zevia. Zevia is a soda. It is a diet soda that is sweetened with stevia. They do have, this is the ginger root beer. So if you like root beer, this one's great. And they do have a cola as well as, and you can see stevia leaf extract, as well as orange and black cherry and grape and cream soda, and there's probably a dozen flavors. And so if you are in Florida or in the South and you have Winn Dixie, they have started carrying the Zevas. They're a little pricey. The 6-pack is, they run about probably about $1 a can. I think it's like $6 for the 6-pack. But I am really trying to cut back on Diet Coke, so this is a good alternative.